In this video, I'll show you how to use the Robinhood crypto wallet step by step so you can send, receive, and manage cryptocurrency directly from the app. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile icon in the bottom corner, then open the menu and go to the crypto section. If you already have crypto trading enabled, you should see wallet-related options available in your account. Tap on crypto transfers or wallet to continue. To receive cryptocurrency, select the coin you want to receive, then tap Receive. Robinhood will show your wallet address along with a QR code. You can copy this address and use it to transfer crypto from another wallet or exchange into your Robinhood account. Always double-check the wallet address and make sure you're sending the correct cryptocurrency to avoid losing funds. To send cryptocurrency, open the same wallet section and tap Send. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, then enter the recipient's wallet address manually or scan their QR code. After that, type the amount you want to send and review the transaction details carefully. Robinhood may ask you to complete a security check or two-factor authentication before confirming the transfer. Once approved, the transaction will be submitted to the blockchain and may take some time to complete depending on network activity. You can also view your transfer history inside the wallet section to track pending and completed transactions. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version if you don't see wallet features available yet. And that's how you can use the Robinhood crypto wallet step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple app tutorials.